All right, we have here the Coolpad Legacy. We're going to show you how to repair the front screen of it, which is damaged. All right, this is the screen that we're going to use to repair it with. The first thing you will need is to have a suction cup, as well as a plastic pick and a metal pick. You want to go ahead and get a heating gun to heat the back of it. Just kind of loosen it up to kind of get it ready so that it's easier to get into the actual foam. With that being said, we go with the metal pick to go ahead and ease our way through the actual foam on the back of it. Not too far deep. We're taking around the whole foam to make sure that we're actually able to open it up. If it seems to get a little stuck, we can go ahead and reuse the heating gun if necessary to loosen it up. We don't want to damage anything on the foam, so we want to be real careful as we go through this foam with this metal pick to access it. As you can see around the back camera, it's a little bit tighter. So we kind of weave our way in a little bit to easing up the groove. It's a sticky surface, as you can tell. There we go. Voila.
Back glass out.
Back glass out.
Just be careful with the fingerprint here. That's why I say don't go deep in when you use the pick, because you can cut this cable. Now we're gonna open all the screws and we back for you with the rest.
For the second portion, we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove all the back screws so we're able to access the front.
I recommend it to have a magnetic around you because these screws is not really sticky. Somehow they are too hard to take out of the spot. Yes guys, now I took all the screws out. We need to lift this a little bit up. There's screws in there. You see it? Now we relax the frame. Boom. Then we disconnect the finger sensor. Everyone know to start disconnect the battery. Now we're gonna lift the bottom piece and we need to take the battery out, so be careful because the cable is gonna come enter the battery from this side all the way to here to connect it here. So I will go ahead and take the battery out. The battery, you can take it out by heat the front a little bit so it can get relaxed, and you use the metal pick I have or any pry tool.
Heat the front to loosen up the back battery.
You guys need to be careful because the batteries is too dangerous to play with. So you have to have the right tool. Don't try a knife or something sharp, could make a hole. You see, I'm going too slow. Like I'm pushing nuts lefting till we don't make a hole on the battery. And surprisingly, they really glue it really bad.
Yeah. Hole in battery could cause an explosion, so we have to really watch that.
You see, I'm going slow. We don't want any accidents. There's many ways to take the battery out. You can use there's a liquid they sell online, but the liquid, with my opinion, is too dangerous. If we put it in and something happen, it's gonna damage the battery fully. So I don't like that liquid. You can also buy the same liquid type from Home Depot called Goof Off. There we go. We almost got the battery out. There we go. This is real repair. I'm not trying to make it different and how they edited it. No, we got the battery out. Okay. This is the cable of the LCD. So take the cable out. Now I'm gonna flip it over, heat it out, take the screen out, and which is easy, and I will be back when I start putting the screen back.
It's brand new. We don't. What do you do with stuff like that? We do like with 30 days still. Yeah, 30 days.
Good, man. Thank you. Now we need to clean the frame real good because these screens is so sensitive to points. Like if you lift any small glass will break. Here we go, guys. We got the screen bag and put the glass bag. The phone is on.
Working like it's supposed to.
This is my first video. We want subscribe and like, please.